Yes, hello and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another VPN application. So in today's guide we are gonna share with you this app. It will help you to secure your connection, and this app will help you to add an extra layer of security when you are using the internet. So in today's guide we are gonna show you on how to get this app, on how to set it up and unlock a very fast and a secure connection when you are using the internet. So you open your Google Play Store. This is where you can search and install Android apps on your device. So when you reach on Google Play Store, you search for this app name. The app is known as B7 Tunnel VPN. So you click on that and then you search, and after searching for B7 Tunnel VPN, so among the presented, make sure to pick the right app. So you must install this app on your device for it to work, and after installing this app you are required to set it up. But as we set it up, you are required to open it. So as we open this app, in case you are new on the channel, subscribe the channel, like this video so that you won't miss any of our future coming content when you subscribe. And this app B7 Tunnel, when you reach on the home screen, you are required to do some settings. Before we do some settings, this app will help you to secure your connection, add extra layer of security, and this app will also help you to enhance on your online activities when you are online. So after reaching on the home screen, you are required to set the app. So you tap on the 4 dots, and among the presents you pick check updates, and when you tap on check updates, the app will start to check for the available updates, and this app will update to its latest version for better performance. So make sure to update the app, and after updating the app, you are required to pick a server. So in today's guide I recommend you to pick the auto server, but you can change to your desired one. But auto server, it can help this app to automatically pick the best working server in your location. So you can either pick this auto server or you can pick your desired server, and after that you are required to pick a network. So in today's guide I am gonna use the all network UDP. Just in case UDP is working in your country, this option will work for you. So make sure to pick this option. Just in case UDP is working in your country, this option will work for you. And if this option does not work for you, please you tap here, search for your country name, and you'll be able to set up this app and you'll be able to secure your connection. But for today's guide, you pick all network UDP. Then after picking that, you are required to tap on the start button, and when you tap on the start button, this app will be connected. And that's how we set up B7 Tunnel VPN to get a secure connection, extra protection as we are using the internet. And let's meet in the next video. If you have not yet subscribed, you are missing a lot. Take this time to subscribe and you won't miss any of our future coming content.